Let's jump right into the video, like how key concepts help you jump right into practicing questions. The key concepts are at the beginning of each chapter in PYQ Plus. They are not meant to replace your textbook. They are not theory, they are not illustrations, and do not come with long explanations or derivations. They are to the point key concepts. Having them this way was intentional. Concepts are built through reading books like HC Verma, Resnick Halliday, or your very NCRT. That's where you should spend your time understanding why a formula works, where it comes from, and how the concept was derived. PYQ Plus assumes you've done that and its job is different. Before you start solving problems, it gives you a quick recap of important formulae, concepts, and results that you will be using to solve questions in that chapter. Instead of flipping through textbook pages each time you solve a question, you can quickly refresh your concepts and get straight to solving. Learning physics has two parts. First, you build your understanding, then you build your problem solving. A good textbook teaches you the concepts, and a good practice book helps you apply them. That's where PYQ Plus comes in. Once you've built your concepts through textbooks like HC Verma, PYQ Plus takes over. It gives you the right amount of practice with concept-wise problems, building your confidence gradually with increasing levels of difficulty, and finally challenging you with unseen problems in challenge exercises. The key concept section is like a review all key points at a glance. It's short and quick, and it's enough for you to solve almost any question in that chapter. Together, the 2 volumes of Concepts of Physics and 4 volumes of PYQ Plus form a complete ecosystem for your physics JEE preparation. One builds your understanding and the other builds your ability to use it. And in JEE, you need both.